Alright, the next wrestler that's up is Blam the Wrestling, the gayest one of them all, H2O, Delicious!
Here comes I'm here! I'm here!
That is the definition of the gayest of them all.
I'm flying! I'm flying away!
When in mine.
Oh, got a plan.
Right. What's the plan?
Watch it. See this?
What was that noise?
You see this?
Oh yeah.
How do you crouch? Can you crouch?
Yeah.
Gimme.
Alright, watch
why'd
me go, okay?
Why'd you put it on all of them?
Watch
you idiot?
this. Watch this.
Yeah.
Fuck!
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Holy shit!
Be very, very quiet, okay? Don't make any noises.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Shh.
Alright. I see enemies, enemies everywhere.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys. Yeah, there's 5 guys and 1 tiger. Not 6 guys. There's Bass, look, there's a ninja down there.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Okay. We need to let the tiger. Will you fucking quit throwing rocks at me? Keep on the move. Better, you wanna ride?
Get him, Noga. Noga, get him.
Yes.
No,
Let me on.
Get in. Oh, there we go.
Hello, friends.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. That looks really suspicious, sir. That looks very, very fucking suspicious. Yeah! That backfired, didn't it?
You know what? Crawling all the way there. Let's go. 385 meters. I can do this. I got this. You see that? You see that, Simba? Simba! Everything you see that the light touches will be yours one day. We quit. Yeah, that's all we got. It's all right. Ow! What's that?
I've been working on my right arm. Did you really go down for my rock?
That was a rock. How'd you? I'm dead. Oh,
whoa! How are you? Why are you moving?
Steven! Oh, look, this guy sells stuff on the road.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Why do you always kill the shop? I'm sorry, sir.
Let me give you a proper burial.
What are you doing? I had a best friend yesterday.
Okay.
Right? I want you guys to meet him.
Just like all of
Here he
Delirious'
is.
friends, it's
Here
me.
he is.
Kill them! Oh fuck!
What is
Waddle his ass.
Jesus.
Hold on, guys. Guys. Come.
No, don't tell him.
Okay.
I don't know. Why would anybody want to...
Oh my god,
Just so
now
you
the
can
other one's gone. Now the other one's gone.
I don't know where the other one would be.
There'd be a menu.
Where the hell? Oh,
Back door! Front door!
Food, bitch! Fast food!
On several in the same spot, they just bounce up and down off each other.
You're fucking creepy. Get away from me.
I'm on drugs.
No, he ran away!
Oh,
Enjoying a hamburger here.
I'm almost down.
Hey, look,
I'm almost down.
burrito. I just found a burrito.
I'm bringing a burrito.
I'm gonna save your life with a burrito! I'm coming! Oh no, he's coming after me! Oh shit.
You can do it!
I got you the burrito, what do I do? How do I give it to you?
Don't eat it! Do not eat it in front of me!
How do I give it to you?
Me! I'm sure! Oh, you're wearing a different top now.
Yeah, because it's winter, man. Are you cold?
Really? You put on a sweatshirt? Okay, fine, I'm leaving. Never get any of these emails saying we're gonna change clothes. I'm leaving, man. But yes, what should my name be? Captain Coon! Oh, no.
You got so excited. Weird ass sounds you're making.
I found a secret! I found a fucking secret!
Okay.
Okay, go.
Where you going? Reach!
Where you at?
Yeah, here I come. I'm coming in! I'm coming in!
Oh, there you are! There you are! You got
God damn it!
it! Delirious. You got this.
I see Louis!
Oh, Louis! Oh, you hit the window, Louis!
He made it!
Fight it. You got this. You got this. Oh, you made it. You made it.
Come here, you fucking bitch! For the fucking window. Gotcha, bitch! Oh, you motherfucker! Oh, yeah, mate. Gotcha, bitch! You bitch! You fucking bitch! Fuck you, road. What the fuck? What the hell? Oh god, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh no! What the fuck just happened?
I like this big nose theme.
Forgot what the code was.
Your nose is so big, man.
What's the code? Quit laughing at me.
You look so fucking stupid.
Fuck you.
You look so fucking stupid.
Get over here. What are you doing? Hiding in the corner, huh?
I'm hiding so you won't laugh at my nose. I need to figure out what the code is so we can damage each other.
Shut the fuck up, Yoshi. Look at the size of your nose! If you get to the right angle, you can't see his face at all. It's just his nose.
Oh my god, it's just all nose. It's all nose.
You're grabbing his nose.
No.
Shoot his nose. It's his weak point. It's his weakness. Shoot his nose.
I'm
shooting his nose.
Open the door.
Who's out there? Who's outside of my house? Oh shit!
Oh!
Ah, we're here. We're here though. We're here. This is.
Nice park job, man. Whoa! What was that move?
It was a good part, Joe.
Does this take you down the stream? Whoa! God! Oh my god!
I died because of mine. You asshole! Yeah!
Take a swim, Delirious. Take a swim.
What happened to that guy? Fuck you! No! There we go.
If you get to the tree, you've gone too far.
Look at his fucking head. God! What the fuck with the real monkey? Die, motherfucker! Get off me! Oh! Ho, 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 bitches! The rules are first ones to get into a pool wins.
The fuck was that?
The car on the road. You fucking assholes. Oh, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. This is it. Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
What the hell was that?
No, I'm gonna win it for both of us. I'm gonna win it for both of us. Right here. Right here. Right here. Ah! I'm right beside a fucking pool.
Fuck? It's like, no, you didn't.
What are you doing, Venas?
Nothing.
You do it? I have a light! I have a light! Oh, thank God! Thank God! Oh, fuck. I thought it was gonna blow up. Here, I'm gonna fix the helicopter.
Let me help.
Does it sound like you're a chef or some shit? Now I'm on fire! Why? Why?